very prominent topic, social media. When I look at this topic, I see two aspects. First, the pros of social media, and second, the cons of social media. Social media was meant to be a magnificent bridge. It connects people across the globe and provides instant access to the information and build incredible social awareness. If we see, we have come a long way as a civilization from the ancient wisdom of the Rig Veda to the Samveda to drafting the longest written constitution in the world, from worshipping the moon and Mars to actually going to the moon and Mars through Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan. We have truly come a long way as a civilization. But today when I look at this topic, I stand here to bring you a different reality. Look at today's youth. Out of millions of youth, 19% are malnourished, 33% are unemployed, and 55% are misled by the shackles of social media. And perhaps 100% are in a delusion about where their country is actually going. Now you might look around and ask a very valid question. Everyone uses a smartphone today. From a 10-year-old child watching cartoons to an 80-year-old grandmother forwarding messages. So why are we, the youth, being singled out? Why must we the one to take responsibility? The answer is very simple but dangerous. Because my friends, when a senior citizen scrolls on social media, they are merely passing their time. But when a young, capable mind mindlessly scrolls for 6 hours a day, they are not passing the time, they are paralyzing the future for themselves and also for their country. A child playing games will not build the economy, but we are supposed to. We are the demographic dividend. मत उलझ इन आभासी जालों में, हमारी असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है. हम वो युवा हैं जिसके हाथों में इस देश की कमान अभी बाकी है. But look at the dark result of social media today. We obsess over the daily vlogs of Rajat Dalal and Elvish Yadav while ignoring the real crisis when the whole of Manipur is burning. We obsess on the extravagant weddings of millionaires, celebrities and Ambanis while millions sleep in the very same city without food or a covering over their heads. It's funny, isn't it? In this country, we love to see the superficial when a hard-working 16-year-old top in a UP board examination. She barely gets our attention. We scroll past her achievements. Yet we will wait in digital queues for hours just to get a ticket for concert. But we are not in a generation that only consumes mindless content. When we use social media for a purpose, we are an unstoppable force on the ground. And look at what happens when we use technology to build rather than just scroll. If we talk about just recently, brilliant young Indian students represented our nation on the global stage and proudly won gold medals at the artificial intelligence. This is the true potential of the Indian youth. That is what we are capable of when we stop watching millionaire vlogs and start innovating for our country. So my friends, what is the path forward? Do we remain trapped in the algorithm of distraction? No. We must choose to be smart, be aware and use social media with care. So starting today, let us take a pledge. We will limit our time screen to reclaim our real lives. We will respect others online and aggressively protect our privacy. We will boldly verify, we share, stopping the chain of fake news. Let us stop giving our precious attention to those who offer nothing to the betterment of society and start celebrating our actual real heroes, the innovators, the achievers and the change makers. Let us use social media not as a tool of distraction but as a weapon of education, justice and national progress. Because remember, an empowered youth creates a stronger future. We hold the world within our hands, a glowing fragile screen, yet why lose our way in filtered lands, forgetting what we have seen? The power to build, the power to break is resting in our palms. Will we awake for our nation's sake or fall to digital charms? The choice is yours, because if we are the youth today, we absolutely must change tomorrow. Thank you very much.